Yes, what is flipping a picture? Flipping means to rotate or turn the picture horizontally or vertically. So if we turn the picture either horizontally or vertically, that means flipping a picture, means rotating the picture. Now how can we do that? Perform the following steps to flip a picture. Select any picture or part of a picture. Click on the home tab. Under the image group, click on the rotate button. A list of options to rotate a particular picture will appear. Select the desired option. Right? So that we will do now. Yes, Sairitvik Reddy, tell me. What Sairitvik? Page number 14, I told you, na? Page number 14. Flipping a picture, the last topic of theme 4. Right? We'll do some. I'll show you how to flip a picture. Flipping means what I told you, it is rotating a picture. To rotate a picture, we call as flipping. Okay, this is a new page I have opened, MS Paint. Now I will take one picture. You know how to insert a picture, right? See here, you have shapes. We will take. I'll take any one of the shapes to show you how to flip. I have taken this figure, right? Select first of all, take a figure or shape, whatever it is. Okay. So this I want to flip this now. What they said, click on the home tab. It is already available in the home tab, only it is there. Image group. Under the image group, we are having 5 groups my here: clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group, and colors group, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups are available here. In that image group, we are having here rotate. So if I click this small dot near rotate, it will show you want to rotate it to the right 90 degrees or to the left 90 degrees or rotate 180 degrees, flip vertical or flip horizontal. 5 options are available in this. You can take anything. One by one, I'll show you. Rotate 90 degrees means you can see this one, right? Now rotate left 90 degrees. Yeah, where it is? Select and now again rotate. I'll take one more. This I will rotate left 90 degrees. This is left, this is right. Now one more I'll take. This I will rotate 180 degrees. This is 180 degrees. Flip vertical. This is flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Okay, now I'll take one more new one. Triangle I will take. Okay, you know triangle, right? So this is a triangle. Now how can you rotate it? Rotate 90 degrees. See, it went down, right? Now rotate left 90 degrees. Now rotate 180 degrees. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal, right? So this is how you can do it. Now I will draw one figure and I will show you this. The same thing. I will draw one smiley. Okay. A smiley, right? I will fill this with colors. Fill solid color. Which color I'll take? Purple I'll take. I'll fill this. Okay, and this ice I'll take. Yama, wait. Those have raised hands. Wait. I'll come to you. I don't want. Okay. Now this is a figure. Now I would like to rotate it 90 degrees. You can see how did it rotate, right? Now rotate left 90 degrees, came to same position. 180 degrees, reverse. Flip vertical, this. Flip horizontal, just. Okay, this is flipping. Clear now everyone how to flip a picture? Flipping means rotating the picture, right? Yes, Rohit Chaudhary, Ketana and Veda, why did you all raise your hands? Veda, tell me first what is your doubt?
Which team, ma'am?
What, ma?
Which team?
Theme 4 only, ma. I told na theme 4 only. Last topic is there. Last week 3.
Okay.
Yeah. And Rohit Chaudhary, what is your doubt? Tell me. Yeah, okay. So you have understood what is flipping. Ketana, tell me what is your doubt?
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
14. Theme 4, page number 14. I think you don't have pages there. So I already told you to write the page numbers, right? Yama Siddharth.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am?
Page number 14, theme 4. You just joined the class. Page number 14, ma, theme 4. Starting of week 3. We are in week 3 now. Okay, today we have, I think, already completed almost, right? So what is this flipping? Did you all understood what is flipping? Flipping means just rotating a picture. So you can choose any of the options and you can rotate the picture or shape, whatever it is. So flipping, rotating a picture is called flipping, right? Now last is set a picture as a background means, so whatever the picture you have drawn using MS Paint, that can be set as your desktop background. So you will create a picture, okay, and you'll save it, right? So that gets saved in somewhere in some location, right? So that can be used as your desktop background. Okay, so this is about week 3. Now take out page number 15. Page number 15. Take out page number 15. Now we'll write the fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Yeah, you can write my everyone. Group A, that is group A, right? Oh, sorry. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Now see, you can see it, right? Now write down group A. A. What is that? The cut, copy and paste commands are in dash group. What is that? That is clipboard group. Dash tool is used to draw lines with different thicknesses. Which tool? That is brush tool. Are you all writing? The rotate command is in the which group? Rotate command? That is called image group. That is in image group. And the dash tool is used to increase the size of an image. That is, we'll use zoom. Zoom is used to increase the size of the image. Yes, Siddharth, what is your doubt?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
your voice is low, ma'am. I'm keeping headphones only. It is loud.
You are only having problems. Others are not having. So maybe your audio, you have to increase the volume from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened?
My volume is increased only, ma'am. My
First write,
volume is
first write whatever I'm writing. Next one, ma, right or wrong, you have to write. This is first one. Second one in group B, group A. You can rotate a picture horizontally and vertically. Yes. You cannot store the drawings that you have created in the computer. No, you can share it. Sorry, you can store it. You cannot resize an image. Wrong. You can resize. You can open the saved drawings. Yes, you can open. Math. So take out page number. Next page. Match the following. Brush tool increases, sorry, draw lines and curves with different thickness. Zoom to increase or decrease the size of an image, that is to see. Selects any part of flip. Flip rotates the picture horizontally. Yeah, are you all writing? Yes? Answer, ma. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
Yeah. Just raise your hands if you have completed. Those who have completed, raise your hands. Okay, Manha completed. Manha, Tarini, and Tanvishri completed. Okay. Whatever the remaining, write fast, ma. Yes, Tanvishri, tell me what is your doubt?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
page number what, ma'am?
Page number 18, I have written here on the board.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Again, what happened? Page number 18, I have already written on the board. You can write down. I have sent already the classwork and homework in MCB. So you can check. Ashrita, you're not writing? Asma, Ashrita completed?
Yes.
Okay. Asma, I already shared classwork and homework. What you have to do is you have to do the drawings using MS Paint. Panda you have to draw in MS Paint.